I did that.
You did that picture and put it on Yahoo.
Which one?
With when I had my hair up. I didn't even know this was when I turned 60.
We went to Cyber
You know when
Forest.
that was? That was when we went to Hawaii when you were pregnant. That was at the luau probably. And
Yeah, that was at the luau.
somewhere, and you know, I thought after I did that, Graham and Jeanette must have thought I was crazy. That's what it says. It gets a little crazy. What?
Look at our faces.
Bradley.
We're
It's
like,
under Bradley. This, you know, I was scared when I did that, but I tried it, and there was Grandpa. Look how slim he looks. I don't remember.
That was after his
that
heart
was
attack.
Jim.
He was in workout mode.
No.
Suit. I wasn't that Jim
That's
Legacy's
before that.
Army.
That's in, look at those curtains. That's in.
That's Carbondale.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Jim
Those are
Legacy,
1970s curtains.
They lived next door to us.
I know, but
remember?
Jill said it was when he was after the heart attack. It's not.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the photo of Dad in Hawaii.
Oh, this is Carbondale. Oh, I can't believe you had to blow that up. Have your friends seen this?
No.
Oh, we're putting it on Facebook.
Traveled all.
You can share the whole thing on
Who
Facebook.
wants to see it?
Everyone.
Your nieces?
And your aunt, your sisters.
There I am busting out of my blouse. I'm still wearing it.
So one picture of Jill's like, where's your bra, Grandpa?
You don't go out in public without a bra.
Oh, so we're making cookies or something.
The Gallivanting couple. That was when we went to North Carolina and David was with us. Remember that bridge?
Yeah.
That was a pretty one.